Hello, my name is Maxine, and I am a self-care advocate for natural healing. Today is day 8 of Ramadan, and my good friends encouraged me to experience this blissful time. And yesterday I spoke about surrendering, and that's precisely what I did. I surrendered to what my flesh was asking for. And I realized that my energy was limiting yesterday, so I had to be so mindful of where to place my focus and my thoughts. You see, when you are operating from a space of limiting energy, you know what? That's where your self-care management comes in, knowing where to place that energy. Happy April 20th. Spread love, spread joy. My name is Maxine, and I am a self-care advocate. I help people that are stuck in limiting beliefs and toxic relationship, and I show them how to overcome that through self-care. Today is day number 9 of my Ramadan practice, and I'm super excited because 9 represents enlightenment, wisdom, and you know what? I'm now starting to feel the benefits of this practice. You know, the first week was challenging. I had to overcome. But, you know, in Jamaica, we say, if you want good, your nose have to run. I'll let you guys figure that out. I'm just here to remind you that self-care, you are so worthy.